Hey guys, it's your girl Tanisha Rick K, the ultimate baddie. And guess what I did? I made this mirror, and I made this mirror, and I made this mirror. I'm so happy because I did not have to pay over $500 for a vanity mirror. Like, $500 for a mirror that you can make for under $50. I'm gonna tell y'all how. I got you. Okay? If you don't want to spend over $500 for a mirror that you can make for less than $50, watch your girl. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you step by step everything you need to make this mirror. I got you, sweetheart. I got you. So just continue watching. I'm going to show you step by step all of the supplies I use, everything I use, and yeah, you're going to have a vanity mirror too. Because I got you. I got you, sweetheart. So these are the LED vanity mirrors that I'll be using. I purchased them from Amazon for $24. And since I want them to be black, this is the spray paint that I will be using. So the light bulbs came all white. So what I decided to do was spray paint them black since my mirror is black. I just placed tape there so that the spray paint won't get on the actual light bulb. But yeah, this is basically the outcome. So this is what my mirror looks like. It's fresh out of the package. It's, you know, all black. I remember we spray painted the bulbs so that it can be black too. So basically right now what we're going to do is take this tape off. So now we're just going to take the tape off that we taped to make sure that the spray paint doesn't get on the bulb. We're going to take that off. Nice and gentle. And as you can see, the spray paint did not get on the bulb. Just gotta get this tape off of there. Well, for the most part, it didn't get on the bulb. And that is that. That little piece is still tape that I can't seem to get off. You know. So, you know, I have a few mistakes here. So just, you know, make sure when you're taping, make sure that the tape goes all the way on the bulb so that you won't have that little extra spray paint. Now that the tape is off, I'm just going to arrange the bulbs around the mirror to make sure that they're correctly placed in the right spot before I glue them down. To shorten the length of the cord, I'm just going to wind the cord inside of the light bulb. The lights came with a sticky part underneath the bottom. So now that the cord is the correct length, I'm just going to go ahead and take that paper off and stick it to the mirror. So now that our bulbs are in position, the cord is all wind up. Now we can actually super glue it. Because my mirror was not a flat surface, I had to use super glue to make sure the bulbs stay down. So basically this is the finished product. Another thing I did off camera was super glued the wires down to the mirror because they still were kind of loose. And that's Vanity Mirror. You're going to need this piece because it did not come with it. So that's how bright it is. It has 3 shades. It's cool. I think the first one was just warm. And then that's regular. So that's warm, cool, and just regular. You can dim it. So if you don't want it as bright, just dim it. If you want it brighter, that's that. Another thing that I decided to do was paint the cord black because it was a bit noticeable. And another suggestion is to make sure that the paint that you're using is a glossy one, because if not, it's going to make the cord look dull and not glossy as the same as your mirror. This is the finished product, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. It would be a whole lot less steps if your mirror was white or frameless. But if you have a black mirror, this is what you should do. Love you guys for watching.